Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a simple cup in OnShape. So this video will take around 4 minutes. So first things first, I'm going to click top. I can't find the top, but I'm showing you the plane so far. So I'm going to click the top, and now I'm going to click sketch. Then I'm going to click top plane. Then I'm going to click circle, like to make the cups outline. So this circle looks okay. Yeah, I think that's okay. So I'm going to click this, and then I'm going to click extrude. Again, if you didn't see the first video, then you're going to need a lot of help trying to do a cup. So like the tutorial version, the first one in the whole series. So there, the cup is way too big, so I think I need to lower it down a bit. And so I'm gonna click X. I'm gonna delete the extrude, and I'm gonna edit the sketch. Now why do I copy it? Edit. Oh yeah, now I've edited it. I'm going to cancel the circle, and I'm going to click that. And once I've done that, I'm gonna make it okay. Yeah, that's good. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click extrude, and I'm going to make it taller, so maybe that much, and then click symmetric so that it doesn't stand out too much, and then I can do more plain stuff. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the handle. So what I'm going to do is that I'm gonna click sketch. So I'm going to click front plane, and then I'm going to click sketch, and then I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to use a 3-point arc. So here on that, so there, one, there, and I'm going to do that again. Make another 3-point arc, but I need to make it touch the cup a little more. There. So there, I'm done, and then now that's amazing. Done. Again, I'm going to do the same thing again. Oh no, I'm going to have to do it there. So I'm going to click a 3-point arc again. Where's the 3-point arc? Give me the 3-point arc. There. Now I'm going to just move it that way, and I'm going to connect it, and I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to do that. So perfect. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to extrude it, and I'm going to make it symmetric so that it doesn't do anything bad. Like, oh no, I think I should have made it symmetric, but I think I'm just gonna make a 3D printed cup. So you're probably wondering, how will I put my tea and coffee in there? It will just fall through. It won't even get inside the cup. So that's the problem here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do something that you probably you don't know yet, but it's a tool. So I've clicked sketch, and I've touched the top part. You can do that, and if I click this point where it says that little hole, as you can see, I've been doing that, and yeah, I click sketch, and then I click the top part, and then I put something called a point in the middle. So then I'm going to click the tool called a hole, and then I clicked it. So I'm just extending it to 3 inches, 1 inch, 5 inches. So I'm going to put a 3.5 inch spectrum, but if I pull my teeth through that, it would be pretty bad, because I'm going to lose all that hard work I've been doing. So I'm going to just try and get the perfect measurement, and I do not want it to be, maybe 3 inches, maybe. That's perfect. Yeah. And so what I can do is I'm going to make it flat. So that's how to do it. So bye guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, share. Bye. And I want to hit 200 by the end of this year, and if I don't, I won't upload a video for 2 weeks. So bye guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.